Everyone, hi. Yeah, have you heard like someone saying, I can hack NASA using HTML? Yeah, I was just like to hear those words from someone from Facebook saying, I'm learning HTML and I'm hacking NASA now. No, so guys, today we need to dig in an HTML. So we need to know more. This is an introduction video, guys, on HTML, how to do with an HTML and anything, guys, that you need to do with an HTML, yeah, is what we are going to learn in this tutorial on this video. So the first thing that, guys, we need to know what is an HTML. Yeah, you can guess what is an HTML. Some they are just abbreviations, which, let me show you, I've already opened my browser, which has some reference where we'll be doing some reference. If you want to check it, I have it here, so there's no need of you like going and do blah blah blah. Yeah, so an HTML is an hypertext markup language. So an hypertext is an HTML is the building block for most of our website that you see in the world. Is like every website, like 99% of the website uses an HTML to render their layouts and structure of the web content. Apart from how the website are being rendered, we use also to like decorate them, how they are looking at you. Like here you're seeing like the blue, the gray color here. We use CSS, and the behavior, like when you click here, like it focus. Also we use CSS and JavaScript, but JavaScript is more comfortable with the clients. Yeah. So guys, before we go in detail, and also hypertext, the word hypertext referred to the link that connects a web page to another page, either within the same page or between the website. Yeah, so this hypertext and the markup. What's the markup? Yeah, a markup also referred to images, text, and other content to display in a web page. So before, we need to learn how the skeleton. So we have special elements, guys. You can go and read this. So before I go into that, let's go to how to do our skeleton. Me, I've already opened my HTML. The previous video, I show you what things you need like to download and what to download in your Visual Code Studio. So this thing that I'm saying here is a continuation from what we said. And so if you don't like, you're just into this video, please like watch the previous video and then you come to this video. Yeah, so what is our skeleton? Our skeleton start with what is our file is. What is our file is what. So to declare our file, before I start this, okay, let's say we start with our doc type. Yeah, our doc type, which is a doc type is an HTML. When we do that, we are good to go. So the first thing that we also need to know, it have an open tag and also an ending tag. So this is like an open tag for an HTML. So what we need to declare here is the ending tag. Yeah, the ending tag. Let's do this, guys. Sorry. Let's open. This is the open tag. Yeah, you see it automatically evening, like so. This is the open tag and this is the ending tag. Yeah, so you can click this. This is our open tag and this is our ending tag. The next thing, guys, that we need to declare here in our skeleton is the header. Header is where we put a title, meta files, and links to the CSS, and also we start using the header. So let's say header. So in header we said we should have a title, like the title that you see on your screens. For an example, let me give you an example on the browser, like a new page here, like the first HTML. like that's our title. So we will say even ours will say like we put a tag, which is a element, which is a title. So a title, yeah, a title, my first lesson, yeah. And the next thing that guys that we need, like this is our my first lane, yeah, my first lane. So the next thing that we need to light in our skeleton is the board. The board is now where we put our content, our layout, our everything guys that we need to put is in our board. So let me give you an example. So we do that element, we say board, by using those I don't know what you call these guys, like to my greater signs and the less than signs. Yeah, those are like the tags that we need to use. So I told you, like, let me give you an example. So this is the open tag. Yeah, this is the open tag we have. So this is the closing tag. Yeah. So here we declare the name like body, and here we declare the name body also. So here is where the content should lies. Let me just remove this space. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Yeah. And the next thing here, so guys, we have learned about the skeleton. This is how the skeleton looks like. So this is simple HTML skeleton. Let's save this, so to see what will happen, guys. To our browser, let's go to our browser. Let's see, yeah, my first link. Yeah, so this guys is happening. You are good to go. You just learn your first and HTML elements. We learn add, where you need to put your title, your links. We talk about later, because I don't want you to have bunch of knowledge in your head thinking what's links, what's what. So I just put a tag only. And the next thing that we learn about headings. Headings are for an example, let me show you in our this is the heading. So heading, we have different headings. We have H1, H2, H3. So the numbers, you can see maybe I'll declare H2, maybe it will be a greater font. No, the H1 is of a biggest in terms of the font size. While the numbers are increasing, they're decreasing the font size of a heading. So when I say H1, I say arrow out, and then I say in H2, you see the different, what I mean, arrow out again, arrow out, another H3, arrow out, so the difference, as I already said, let's look to our browser to see how now it's looking. My first lane, yeah, you see. So the difference is when we're increasing the number of an heading, the number of font size is decreasing also. So that, guys, yeah, so you learn the first thing, how to put your headings, your art. So another thing that, guys, I'll talk about is a paragraph, so that to go and experiment with this is a paragraph. So a paragraph, we just declare P, that's our paragraph. We're using those open tag and closing tags. You should not forget that. So this is my first time learning HTML. This is my first time learning HTML. So yeah, it could be your first time, it could be your second time, you are lost in those tutorials that you read, but this tutorial I'm explaining while we are coding. I don't want you guys just to code, but also to code and help others who wish to do the same thing I'm doing, and also to help the world, like, because you know these things. So the next thing that we need to do is like, let's so this is the paragraph. So we learn about the skeleton, which you need to declare the doc type, and the heading where we need to include the title, and the body tag where we include the headings and the paragraph and whatever. So guys, as we learn, I also share with you this website, because this website, I think I really love using this one, because it's like the official thing that's come up. They update the what. They are good guys. Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, they are good. You can use Chrome, your browser. I told you there's no matter. It's just testing your code, like those guys who are doing C++ in schools and Python, what they use the command with the terminal, I don't know, in Command Pro, those guys who are using Windows and anything, guys. So once again, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also to share with your friends, because sharing is caring. Me, I'm caring. Sorry guys, but it's true. So we have learned about two entities, heading and paragraph. So the next thing, guys, that we wish to learn now is to start learning about the other element that we need to use. So if you are really like to go to the another, you can just click and start watching the another tutorial, because you need to get things dead, your hands dead, your computer dead, and your computer bums with a lot of information in your heads. This is this thing, guys, you need to understand. So guys, thanks. So the next tutorial, just click there and